Hello! So, it's time to clean the recorder. What do? First off, take off your belt. Okay? You just take off the belt and band, leave them to the side, and then take apart the three pieces of your recorder. Okay? They come apart really easily. Take warm, soapy water, like in your sink, in your kitchen sink. Just warm water, soapy, make the bubbles happen, and then swish these guys in there for about 15 seconds or so. Just kind of swish them through. You can certainly use a small cloth or a rag and clean off the mouthpiece. If you want to swipe, all along the barrel, that's fine. But then just rinse it with warm, clean water. Get all the bubbles off, inside and out, and then put it away. Put it aside in the dish strainer, on a paper towel. Leave it alone for 1 to 2 days to completely dry out. Okay, that's all there is to it. Then you put all the pieces back together and you have a clean recorder to play again. Do not put them in the dishwasher. Some households have very hot water and it can melt the plastic on your recorder. So don't put them in the dishwasher. Just hand wash them in your sink. All right? Good luck.